Bihar election. Is it official? Nitish Kumar to be ND as a CM Pesa. What PM Modi said. Okay, so this is official. I know because I'm a JDU supporter. But the thing, can I tell you quickly about Nitish Kumar, have you followed this at all?
No.
He's not looking great in terms of health. Like he hardly talks.
Correct.
I don't know, there's some kind of issue. They're hiding him all the time. But still sitting chief minister, I think 4 times or whatever. So they want to keep him as the face. So they haven't found a second face. NDA, matlab, it is an alliance, but it's going to be a JDU guy for sure. So what's your comment as a lover of Bihar politics?
Bihar politics. Well, my God, if Bihar elections were a web series, what genre would it be? Drama, comedy, or survival horror? The last one rings true.
Bro, you know what I'm worried about? In Karnataka right now, they're looking at this voter fraud and all that. And they found some cases, apparently, of clear voter fraud. In Bihar, everybody has the same name. Because of caste issues, they don't keep the surname, na? Praveen Kumar, Nitish Kumar, Mahesh Kumar, Ashok Kumar. They all got the same name. It's much easier to do.
Yeah, all Kumars, huh?
Yeah, I can keep voting. Just keep changing the...
See, but that's the funniest part. You know, I spoke about this now. Whatever political party affiliations I may have, I always felt when you are in charge or you're supposed to be a chief minister, you're supposed to be a prime minister, president, whatever. Where are the educational qualifications? Why can't you be judged by what you studied? Why should you just go and give vote? Like if I want to be a CEO of a company...
Oh, you mean for voter?
Yeah, voters should be educated. Most of them are not, unfortunately, because they just go. It's a mass.
Should
movement.
the guy standing for election be educated or the guy voting?
Guy standing for elections.
But दोनों ना?
Oh, we he has to be responsible ना. So अगर मैं CEO बन रहा हूँ company का and they are telling me you need these qualifications, what are the qualifications to become a chief minister or prime minister?
Normally, if your father had the seat.
Exactly.
Huh.
Now that's not nepotism.
No, of course not.
Only Bollywood has nepotism.
Boss, when a father's business goes to the son, उसमें क्या है?
नहीं.
Yeah, why? Exactly, only Bollywood.
Yeah,
Everybody,
only
it's the same
Bollywood.
all over.
The others don't have. Yeah. Apparently, they don't know. अरे मेरा बेटा वारे वो भी leader बन गया है.
Yeah, then this is...
Nepotism नहीं वो तो करण जो और ये लोग करते हैं.
I had a friend in school, I won't take his name, Gaurav, and I met him after many years and I asked him, Gaurav, what are you doing? And he said, bro, I'm working in a company. He gave me his card. His surname was there on the card as vice president and the name of the company is his surname. Exports. And I'm thinking, when I was working, I thought he's worked hard for 10 years in an MNC, boss went, made his name and made a brand or whatever. But it's a little bit unfair that way.
No, but let us, I always broke this down once, it was becoming too much, nepotism. I think if I'm a father, my children are growing up.
Right.
As a father, it's my duty to make sure they are comfortable all their lives, right? So where is nepotism coming in between? It's not that, somebody who's got a huge multinational pharma company and then he says, I need a CEO. अरे रवि को बुला ना नहीं वो बेटे को ही बुलाएगा ना because he set it up for his son. Now if the son can
so what we are trying to say here is we are pro nepo.
Not pro nepo. It's not nepo at all.
It's everybody, not nepo. It's normal.
What about the man who has worked so hard for
nepo
his son?
Nepo is the new normal.
No, it has always been happening.
Yeah.
So
and not just in India, all over the world.
Why? And not only Bollywood.
Donald Trump is grooming his son.
Hey, after saying this, maybe I'll get 1 or 2 roles in Bollywood.
You think?
I think so.
Was your dad an actor?
No.
There's no chance nahi.
Lekin my sons may get because I'm an actor.
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
They don't want to get into the field.
They don't want to get?
They don't want to.
What do they want to do?
My younger boy is 16 now. He just wants to get into bodybuilding and he keeps on showing me your bloody Insta posts.
Me for bodybuilding?
And now he's telling me to bench press 50 kgs on either side, 100 total. And I can't even 10 में I'm struggling now. And all that stuff. Then somebody told me, the trainer said, Chacha, यहाँ से निकल जाओ. Just last week कोई मर गया यहाँ पे.
What are you saying? In front of you?
In front of me only. Then my son said, no, Papa, you can easily do 100 kgs, you must do. Then from where is it coming? So he's been watching some movies behind my back. What is Bruce Willis, Manoj Night Shyamalan's film? Where the son...
Sixth Sense.
Not Sixth Sense.
Then?
This other one, Manoj Night Shyamalan only.
Yeah, he used Bruce Willis in 2-3 films.
They made a part 2 also. It's like Samuel L. Jackson, man. He's in the movie, man. They bombs a train and all that stuff.
Oh, right. Unbreakable.
Unbreakable. So,
Uncle remembered.
Class.
Yeah.
So
I saw it in the theater. One of the few films I saw in the theater.
Even I saw. So there's a scene where Bruce Willis is doing bench press.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
this
yeah, yeah, yeah,
kid
yeah.
keeps on putting the plates so there. Now he thinks he can do that to me. Now I'm wondering whether he's trying to get rid of me.
I think so. or do you think he thinks you're Bruce Willis, which is even worse?
Hey, actually, I look a bit like Bruce
Bruce
Willis.
Willis is in
One
very
second.
bad health, huh? Very bad health right now. Yeah, I'm convinced.
Yeah.
I'm absolutely
Have you seen Vin Diesel? 1 second.
okay. Vin Diesel. Now, who else can you do?
That's it. और कोई है?
Both है. Rakesh Roshan. Okay, stop. We won't get any work.
That didn't go anywhere.
No, that is not right. Let's stick to making fun of foreign people.
Yeah, that should be safer. But as I told you, there is no nepotism in Bollywood. There's nepotism everywhere.
Right.
So I don't think Bollywood should be picked on.
I think Bollywood should be looked
Or
after.
rather, I would still give it a better and more respectable name. The Indian film industry should be picked upon.
The day a famous industrialist's kid is not involved in the industry,
Yeah.
that will be great. Like if the kid should go and then become an engineer and work on a bridge in Patna.
Yeah.
If that happens, then we know that there's no nepotism.
Yeah, correct.
And till today, it's not happened.
And coming back to earlier question.
What is the question?
So there should be some educational qualification, compulsory, you should be a graduate, at least a graduate, to stand for election.
Graduate means college, not 10th standard.
College. 10th standard is not graduation.
वो metric है ना?
Metric.
I can't remember.
Yeah.